dumpster. Pick yourself up on.
I'm
That's
good.
enough fun for me.
I'm a video game.
This was a big night. A big night. Woo! A big night. I'm looking for a big night. The beat on the floor. This was a big night. A big night. Put your hand down, Sam. Big night. Oh, big night. I beat on the floor. Thank you so much, Saskatoon. Oh my gosh, what a crowd. This is unbelievable. How's everybody doing out there? It's so great to see so many people here today, and I'm sad because let's hear it for the holiday train, first of all. Let's hear it, come on. It's just too bad that children don't get a chance to see it, and that no children are here tonight. Yeah, I'm saying no, are there?
Only the grown-ups showed up tonight.
It's too bad.
That's too bad.
I think your sense of perspective is very messed up, Chris. Maybe it's all children. I really can't tell unless...
Are there children out in the audience tonight? Only the kids. All right, children of Saskatoon, on the count of 3, scream as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3.
Blood curdling.
Absolutely.